Hello everyone, welcome to Desert Isle Crafting. My name is Christy. How are you today? I hope you all are having a wonderful day. What I have for you today, I was so excited when this came because it was late. And it was late just because of supply issues. We hear that a lot and it's very, very true. This is from Stitchy Box. I've reviewed one of their boxes before and this just came in. This is their Autumn Breeze Countdown Box. Now, technically, it's still autumn until what, December 21st, 22nd, something like that. So, I wanted to show this to you. And what she does, you should go to your website, her website. I will have a link down below. Liz has an awesome website. You can buy these countdown boxes. You can subscribe to different things that she has. And she takes the time to just, it's like an advent calendar, but not at Christmas. All throughout the year. She's just got the coolest things, and I think her prices are great. So let's see what she says. She says, hey there, thank you so much for joining us for our Autumn Breeze box. Enclosed are 30 packages, all labeled a day number. Please start with day 1. I hope you will enjoy opening up these packages as much as I have enjoyed selecting them for you. If you will be sharing unboxing photos on social media, please include the hashtag Stitchybox so we can see it. I can't wait to see all the awesome stuff you make with the stitchy goodness in this box. Happy stitching, Liz. The first one I opened from her, I loved absolutely everything in it. It had a beautiful floss, fabric, patterns, so I'm super excited to see what this one has. So let me take a minute to put them in some kind of numerical order, and I will be right back. Okay, here we go. I put them in order, and then this was extra, so let's open this up and see what it is. I've got my window open, so you might hear a car go by. So this is Mayan Chocolate Pumpkin Spice Bar Mini Pumpkin Spice Marshmallow, 66% dark chocolate. Oh, why do they send treats like this? MayanChocolate.com from Wisconsin. That is just going to be too good. I know it already. And then we get Flower Silk, semi-matte, 6-strand, hand-dyed silk floss, not guaranteed color fast. Look at the colors in this. This is just beautiful. All different shades of brown, variegated from light to dark. That is so pretty. And it's silk. This is 8 yards. It's called Athena's Owl, Threads of Myth and Legend. Just beautiful. Absolutely love it. Okay, let's start with number 1. So here's number 1. I love this. I just love opening up these little packages. It's just like Christmas or your birthday. Okay, number 1 is, and she puts in these little notes that are awesome. Day 1, Flower Silk. Welcome to our Autumn 2023 Countdown Box. We start off with a fabulous colorway for your autumn color palette. Flint Corn. Okay. Semi-matte, 6-strand, hand-dyed silk floss. Flint Corn, 8 yards. That just screams Indian corn. You know, the Thanksgiving corn, all the different colors. Golds and rusts and orange and purples. Oh, that's so pretty. So pretty. I wonder if I have something white here. You could see the colors a little bit better. But is that just beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. I just love this floss. Silk floss. Day number 3. Ooh, what do we have here? Look at the little owl. Is he just so cute? What's her note say? Day 3, Owl Charm, a friendly owl who loves to soar on the autumn breeze. He is adorable. I am going to find a little chain to put him on. He is just precious. Like a little baby owl. Stick him right up here so I can look at it. And he stands up too. Oh, Liz, Awesome. Now that was day 3. I skipped day 2. I don't know how I did that. I promise I will be more careful. Ooh, let's see the note. Day 2, Toho seed beads. There is still green to be found this season, though sometimes it's just a pop here or there. These are lime green, size 11, 2 grams of seed beads. Perfect, perfect beads to adding to a cross stitch. Here, let me use that paper again. I think I'll just use that all the time. You can see the colors better. Aren't those pretty? Very nice. Okay, let's go on to day 4. I look forward to these Stitchy boxes. I am so glad I found this company. Just beautiful, beautiful things. And I have one coming for Christmas too. Day 4, Acorn Beeswaxer. Keep your threads in line with this decorative beeswaxer. That is a really nice size acorn of beeswax. And I know using silk threads, as much as I have, a necessity. Keeps those threads in line. That is beautiful. And then 5. The time Liz took to put these all together. Wow. Okay, what do we have here? This is day 5. Stitchy Silk. Beaver Gray is a great gray for autumn stitching. Yes, it is. 8 yards. Oh, here we go. I don't remember it yet. Beautiful gray color. I love gray. I don't know why, but I love gray, and that is gorgeous gray. So we've gotten 3 skeins of Silk Floss so far. Here's day 6. Let's see what's in here. Oops. There's a note in there too. It says, Lampwork leaf, a fun accent for a scissor fob or a special project. Yes, it is. It is. Looks like it's a resin red leaf, or is it glass, with a little circle at the end so you can thread it through something. But that would look really cute as a scissor to put on a pair of scissors, wouldn't it? That could even go and be a zipper pull on a project bag. Ideas, ideas, ideas. Okay, day 7 is bigger in size. I will have a link down below to Stitchybox's website in case you're interested in seeing all the many, many, many things she has to offer. Okay, there was not a little note in here, but this is a pattern. Leaf Peeping. It's got the pattern on the back. It's 37 by 37, and it's a maple leaf stamp. That's very cute, especially if you're Canadian, right? Okay, so we have a cute little pattern. Day 8. Ooh, what is this? Vintage Venetian beads, a gorgeous bit of plum by way of these 100-year-old handmade seed beads to add a bit of history to your stitching. Is this awesome? Now these are a dark plum. They are 100 years old. Vintage Venetian, size 10, transparent plum. I'm gonna have to find a project just for those beads. I love them. They're beautiful. Day 9. This acorn has a secret. Open it up and sort your orts while you travel to your holiday festivities. Look at the little acorn. Is he cute? And then, of course, he's supposed to open up to put your orts in. And can I get him open? No. My hands have gotten so weak. Okay, I will have to have my husband open this. He opens up so that you can put your little orts in while you're stitching. And there's a little hole in the top, so you can put some thread through there so you can tie it to your project bag or keep it around your neck or whatever you like. I think it's wood. It's just a beautiful little acorn. Isn't that great? What a wonderful idea. This Stitchy box full of surprises. I would have never found something like that on my own. This is day 10. Okay. Day 10 says flower silk, a punchy orange to add to your stitching palette. And this is 8 yards. It's called Bird of Paradise. It is variegated ever so slightly. It is so pretty. What a beautiful orange color. So many autumn, fall colors in this. Day 11. You know, I'm going to use my scissors because this is not. I'll have nails flying everywhere soon. Tiger's Eye 4mm heart beads. Says Tiger's Eye is the perfect gemstone addition to an autumn project. Aren't those cute? Oh, look at that. 5 beautiful Tiger's Eye little heart beads. So pretty. Okay, that was 10. That was 11. Here's 12. Sorry, that was my husband being gross. He is home today with the golf. Okay, day 12. Preciosa seed beads, a final pop of green for the season. Green rainbow size 11. So we had these other green bees, beads. So now we have 2 different shades. So pretty. Day 13. Yeah, cutting it open is way easier. Now you can get these boxes just all year long. She offers all kinds of things at her website. Please go check her out. And this says, day 13, HOAW, hand-dyed twill, a great choice for finishing or creating hang tabs for hanging project or ornament. This color is hibiscus. What a beautiful color. So pretty. You can use this for so many things. Absolutely love that. Day 14. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Let's see what we got. Stitchy Silk. Pale yellow is a great addition to any autumny palette. Yes, this is called Sunstone. 8 yards. Silk Floss. Hand-dyed. So pretty. What a beautiful color. It's like spun gold. A very light spun gold. Okay, 15 is another big one. Ooh, look at that pattern. Jackalope by A Sissy Cuties, Bendy Stitchy. It's a little jackalope. 49 stitches by 57. 987 full cross with some back stitch. 2 colors. They did it on 32 count Irish linen. Oh, that is cute. That is really cute. You could put these little, where'd they go? These little tiger's eye hearts in the middle of his spots right there. That'd be sweet. Okay, number 16. Oh, come on. All right. This is GAST limited edition, a fun limited edition from Gentle Arts to add to your palette. Color Fast, the Gentle Art limited edition. Rinse threads in hot water before stitching. Blot on white paper towel to test for any excess surface color. That is so pretty. It is a brown, a really pretty brown. Let's stick that there. 17. Okay, more beads. Day 17, Preciosa Seed Bead Mix, a fun blend of colors to add a bit of spice to any autumn project. Yes, absolutely. These are opaque. They are not see-through, and they are very, very pretty. Look at all the different colors. You got turquoise in there, dark green, tans, browns, rusts. Beautiful autumn colors. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, 18. This is a squirrel charm, another happy friend to join our autumn party. A little squirrel charm. Isn't he just the sweetest? He's going to go right up there with my little owl. They can have a party. Adorable. Where does she find these things? Okay, day 19. Ooh, this is pretty. Flower Silk Duo. Our Flower Silk Duo colorway feature long color sections and can be cut into 2 or 3 mini skeins. For the adventurous, you can also stitch with the entire length. This is Deep Autumn Flame, 8 yards. Look at that. Is that just spectacular? Look at the colors here. Gorgeous silk floss. So many color variations in this. I can't even name them all, but absolutely stunning. Oh, I love this. Day 20. Okay, this says Maple Leaf Thread Ring. Collect all your autumny threads in one place with this fun thread ring. And here you have the maple leaf on it. It's rose gold. It will open up like that. Like a little binder ring. And you can just hang all of your threads on here as you stitch. Perfect. That is so sweet. I like that. What a great idea. Okay, so now, let's see. Is that day 20? Yeah. Where's 21? Here's 21. I'm going to move these over because we're on the countdown now. The last 10 to go. More Preciosa seed beads. Add a bit of sparkle to your stitching with these metallic gold seed beads. size 11, opaque gold sea beads. We have quite a little selection of beads going on here. Those are perfect for fall. Day 23 is a bit bigger. Ooh, we've got some fabric in here. A lovely hand-dyed background for your autumn project. Milk and Honey, 28 count. And it is serged all the way on that side. And then you've got the selvage over there. What pretty fabric. Especially when you go and you hold up all these silk flosses against it. Whatever picture you decide to make will be absolutely perfect. Wow, beautiful fabric. So pretty. Absolutely love that. I absolutely love everything in here. Day 24. Oh, we missed 22. Sorry about that. They got a little mixed up there. Oh, okay. This is Woven Ribbon, a collection of owls to embellish directly onto your stitching or to use in finishing. Is that cute? Woven ribbon with owls. Come on. There we go. Is that sweet? Those are so precious. I would sew that onto something, but I don't know what yet. But it'll come to me. Okay, we've got that, and then I had started 24. Not many left. Okay, oh my goodness sakes, look at those. This says, flower silk burnt caramel is great for stitching, maybe not so great for desserts. Yep, look at how pretty this is. This is 8 yards of silk. Burnt caramel. Oh my goodness, look at that. How pretty. How do they make this? Such beautiful colors. How do they do this with the variegated thread like that? I would really like to know. Okay, so we're on D. Let me get this in order so I don't mess it up. Okay, 25. Another little owl. It says, an owl button. A perfect finish for a biscornu or an addition to a special project. Look at him. How sweet is he? Is he on both sides? No, he's only on one side, but he is so cute. Little owl button. Stick it up here with all the other little animals we got. Okay, 26. This has just gone by too fast. Ooh, red beads this time. Mini fringe beads, a fun way to add fringe to your finishing. These are 3 grams of Miyuki mini fringe beads. These are not opaque. I'm thinking they are glass, and they are pretty. So many beads. God, so many beads. Beads are so fun to add a little bling. Those red beads would look nice on a Christmas project too. Here we have, oh, this is beautiful. I just love adding a touch of teal to autumn projects. It livens them up a bit, don't you think? Yes, I do think, because teal's my favorite color. So if I'm going to add teal or turquoise to something, what other better combination than browns and golds? It just really pops out at you there. Now this is called Taquamenon Falls, 8 yards. Look at the gorgeousness of this. What absolutely beautiful floss. This I will keep for something very special because that is just beautiful. No, I'm not going to waste it as a bracelet, but it is beautiful. 27. Come on. Ooh, we have some fabric. Well, look at this. Quilt fabric for finishing. Finish a fabulous autumn ornament or pin pillow with this fabric. Oh, and it's all mushrooms. That is a really cute little piece of fabric. You could put this on the back of your cross stitch to finish it when you have it in your hoop, if you're going to keep it in your hoop to hang or put it in a frame to protect all your stitches in the back. So this is a nice piece of fabric for that. Looks like it's about 8 by 10. Huh, I didn't expect something like that, but what a great idea. And then 2 more left. Okay, oh, that's pretty. Gas limited edition of final colorway to add to your autumn palette. The Gentle Art limited edition Color Fast, which is great. Now this one doesn't have a name, but it is a dark brown that also has shades of lighter brown in it. It's very, very pretty. You know, you can really feel a difference with silk threads compared to cotton. They don't feel like silk as you think of silk, but boy, they are softer. And then the very last one we have here is a pattern, Bendy Stitchy Autumn Colors, number 89. Autumn colors don't just fall, they fly. I'm thinking that is a bird or a duck with leaves. You do it in the variegated thread. You've got, now that we've gone through the whole thing, we have our fabric. We have our 2 patterns. You could make either one of these on this fabric. I'm thinking that one. Well, we have our 3 patterns because we also have the stamp. 60 by 60. Tells you what threads they use. 28 count linen. 60 by 60. Okay. We have our backing fabric. Our 3 patterns. Our floss ring. How cute. Beeswax, Ort holder that I'm going to have to get my husband to open. This is a great scissor, put on your scissor charm or zipper pull. I think it's resin or glass, I'm not too sure which, but it's so pretty. What a red. We have our binding in hibiscus. Look at all these beautiful beads we got. The 100-year-old Venetian beads, transparent plum. And then we have the tiger eye hearts. Metallic gold, size 11. Size 11 lime green. And size 11 green rainbow. Beautiful colors for fall. I especially like these. So I have all these wonderful beads. Oh, and don't let me forget the red. The Miyuki Mini Fringe red beads, 3 grams. So we all have these wonderful beads. We have the owl ribbon. We have our little owl charm, our little squirrel, and our little another little wooden owl button. So we have our little animals there. And all this gorgeous floss. Ooh, that's everywhere. All this absolutely gorgeous floss. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 skeins of silk floss. Look at these colors. Lay them out on the paper one last time. Perfect, perfect colors for fall. I'm so very happy with this. Such a lovely surprise. Look at these. All these multicolor variations are just gorgeous. Variegateds. But this one with the turquoise and teal in it, oh my goodness sakes. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful, beautiful silk floss. To make this pattern, oh my goodness, it'll be so easy to do. And it'll be so pretty. So thank you so very much, Liz, for putting together a Stitchy box of just such wonderful goodness. You got fall perfect. You hit it out of the park. Thank you so very much for curating such wonderful things. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and go visit Liz at Stitchybox. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye.